Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Reddit for affiliate marketing without getting flagged. Beginner. Create a Reddit account if you don't have one already. Choose a username that reflects your niche or interests. Complete your profile with relevant information and a profile picture. Familiarize yourself with the Reddit platform and its rules. Join subreddits related to your niche. Engage with the community by commenting on posts. Share valuable content before promoting anything. Observe the types of posts that receive high engagement in your chosen subreddits. Look for subreddit-specific rules regarding affiliate links. Some subreddits allow links, while others do not. Create posts that offer genuine value to the community. Integrate your affiliate links naturally into relevant discussions. Consider using a link shortener for better aesthetics. Don't excessively promote your affiliate products. Focus on building relationships within the subreddit. Respond to comments on your posts promptly and respectfully. Track your affiliate link performance using analytics. Adjust your strategies based on what resonates with the audience. Stay updated with changes in subreddit rules and policies. Always follow Reddit etiquette to avoid being flagged. Be transparent about your affiliations when required. Avoid spamming and excessive self-promotion. Regularly contribute non-promotional content to maintain credibility. Build a reputation as a trusted member of the community. Evaluate your affiliate marketing results and tweak your approach accordingly. Remember, patience and consistency are key to success on Reddit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.